Hi folks, welcome back. So today we're going to see how we can publish and share our demos. So let's go ahead and click on publish and our demo is published. Now we have two ways, okay? So first is the embed in a landing page where you can copy the code and when you embed it in the landing page, the demo will look something like this. All right, and the second way is to open this demo in a new tab and we also have the option to configure site settings such as upload the blind logo, demo title, CTA text, using a background theme, few advanced features as well. So let's go ahead and copy this to a clipboard. We can share it across and let's open this to our. Here we go. This is our demo here. Thank you folks. Please stay tuned for further videos.